this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 10mm wheel spacers on your BMW. Let's go. After installing the 10mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and fender, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Most BMW G30 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and tires flush to the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sport appearance, consider a proper set of 10mm wheel spacers. 10mm wheel spacers will add about 10mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. The half-century wheel spacers come with a half-century lip as a transition point. BONOSS half-century 10mm wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 10mm spacers, there will be no problem. The precision of BONOSS 10mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise 10mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Let's see how to install the 10mm wheel spacers on your BMW G30. Let's go. Wheel spacers fit the BMW G30 perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. I personally like this out stance. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your BMW G30 front wheels, you can install the 10mm wheel spacers, but remember to install the same size wheel spacers on the front wheels. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!